Welcome! As an Insured Solutions PayGo client, we promise to provide you the highest quality service at all times. The following is a tutorial for the Workers' Comp PayGo module. You want to click on the link to open the PayGo module Payroll Wizard. Please note that you can start and stop this video by clicking the pause and play buttons. Then, from your welcome email, you want to copy your username and password and then click Login. Please agree to our terms and conditions by clicking on the I agree button and typing in your name. Then, click Next. You will see an offer for Employee Practices Liability Insurance. EPLI, or Employment Practices Liability Insurance, covers employee lawsuits against your company for wrongful termination of employment, discrimination, sexual harassment, and workplace torts. Next, enter the bank details on the bank authorization form. Please use the account information that you would like Insured Solutions to use when processing your payments. This form should be agreed to by the owner or officer of the company. If you elected to have Employment Practice Liability Insurance, the EPLI agreement form will appear and will need to be agreed upon by the owner or officer of the company. If you decline to have this coverage, no such form will appear. Here, you want to check whether you have paid independent contractors. For this practice, we're going to select No and then click the Next button. Here is where your work comp class codes will be. You will click on the drop-down box. Now, it would be customized for your specific company. It may have multiple codes. For this test purpose, we're just going to have the 8810 for California, and you will select your work comp code. You will click here to enter your gross regular payroll amounts. You will click your Tab button and the system will calculate your premiums for the gross payroll amount. You will enter the overtime amount here, click the Tab button, and the system will calculate the gross wages. And here, you will enter in the double time amounts and click the Tab button, and it will calculate the premiums. After entering the information for that 8810 work comp code, you want to click the Add button, and then you will proceed to the next work comp code. Then you will click the Next button. Here, you will upload your payroll register. You have the option to upload your payroll register or to fax your payroll register. To fax your payroll register, you will click this button, and then you can click the fax cover page, and it will create a cover page for you. And this is what the cover page looks like. You want to go ahead and print this file and then print, so that you can print a copy of this and send it in with your payroll register. Now the other option you have is to upload your payroll register. To do that, you would click on Upload My Payroll Register. Click on your Browse button to find the payroll register. I have mine saved on the desktop. You select your payroll register, click Open and Upload. You can see here that it is uploading, and once it's complete, it tells you that the file was uploaded successfully. Then, you want to click the Next button. And here, you can see your payment information. It gives you the rest of your charges. Now you have the option to ACH or use your credit card. If you use a credit card, just please note that there is a 3% additional service fee that gets added. We are going to use ACH for this training purpose. Then you will type your bank name here. Then you're going to add your routing number and your account number. And then for the check number, we suggest that you use the check date of your payroll, so you can go back and reference what date you are submitting the payroll for. Then, if you like, you can securely save your ACH information for further transactions, so that you don't have to re-enter your bank information and your routing information. Here is a sample of a check, and it shows what your routing number and what your account number is, and how to find that information using your check. Then you click I agree, the terms and conditions for ACH for the transaction for that payment. Then you will click the I agree button, and that you understand that you are paying for the workers' compensation premiums, and that you understand that the information you are entering is accurate. Then you will click Process Payments. Once you click the Process Payments button, your transaction would be complete. At the top of the screen, it will hop over to the complete process, and you will get a confirmation across the top of your screen that the transaction is completed. You would also get an email confirming the submission with an invoice. Once you get the invoice, please review the invoice, and if you have any questions, you can contact your client service representative. Please be certain to review your welcome email very carefully, as it contains important program guidelines. by processing your first PayGo invoice on the Insured Solution PayGo module. You are agreeing to comply with these rules as they are written. Please contact your sales representative should you have any questions.